Listen, you need to speak to them. The river calls for peace and unity and not for division. We need to sign the peace treaty. Help me and talk to them, please. Enough of this bloodshed. It's becoming too much. I beg you, go and talk to them. Go. Go and speak to them.
Alright, please. Stay here. I am coming.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I will return. Wait for me.
Right, I'm waiting. Please convince them. Try and talk to them. I'm waiting.
When will this war come to an end? Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death.
Kachi, help me. Please. Convince our people to sign the peace treaty, please. Stop the war!
Kachi, how do you want me to do this?
You can do this. We are friends.
Aka, you need to leave here, please.
Convince them to be...
Aka, I don't know how to do it. Please.
Go!
Let's go! Let's go! What is it?
Let's go!
What is it?
Let's go!
Hey!
It's a price
Adako and Oledo. They were lying dead on the floor.
Dead? Adako and Oledo. Nkemma. Lebe. Wait, come and show me. Hey. Where is taking me to? Hey. Simon. Adako. Hey. Okay.
I don't know what happened.
I
saw them like this.
Hey. Okay, Lizzy. Oledo! What happened?
I don't know.
Are you sure it's not the hands of Okigwe people?
You're shouting. They may be near.
Hey!
Let's go.
Are you leaving them here? Hey! Hey! Chimo!
Now you come for.
Hey! Choma, wait! No! Hey! Choma, hey! Hey!
Okay, Ago. There are dead bodies everywhere. Dead bodies are littered everywhere in this village.
Ago, people are dying. Oh, people are dying. Do something.
Dead bodies.
Ago, people are dying. People are dying.
Go to your hut and hide. Dead bodies. Hide. Avoid the river bank for now.
When will this war come to an end? Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day.
Chioma, it's high time they stop this fight. It's becoming too much, can't you see? Chioma, I've lost my parents. I've also lost my siblings. I have no one now. Chioma, we need to stop. I'm the only one left. We can't continue to fight. Munalo has to stop. Okay, we has to stop. Mwabutu. Chioma, you don't understand. Because if you understood, you would be crying. Same way I'm crying right now. Calm down. But I understand you. I understand you. But we cannot succumb to them. Never. We can't succumb to Okigwe people. See how they killed our people? No. We have to retaliate. Yes. Chioma, you're talking about fighting. You still want to keep fighting. Chioma, you have heart. You don't have conscience at all. I've seen it. You're not big at Joker, because if you have lost what I have lost, you will be crying by now. You would have asked them to stop this fight. It's too much. No. Can't you see that it's too much? Okay, Lizzy. Give up. Chioma, don't tell me to calm down. No, I'm not happy. Don't tell me. We cannot succumb. Chioma, we have to stop this fight. It's too much. No. Our people have to stop. They have to stop. Here. No, we will not. Oh. We will not. We will fight this war.
Why, Akachuku? Why would your people do a thing like this? I thought you meant every word when you said that you wanted peace. I thought you meant it.
What are you talking about? Those men weren't from my village. I swear, I don't know them.
You dare lie to me? How could you? My father was right. I shouldn't have trusted you.
No, ma. Who are those men?
Mama, it's okay. Don't give up hope.
Chioma, nothing is okay. You talk about hope. There is no hope. There is none. There is no hope. Let me go. My father could have got hurt today. And how will I forgive myself knowing the fact that I am the one that put him and my people in danger? How? I refuse. I refuse to be the two used in destroying my people. So I am done. I am done. I am done.
Just calm down, please. It's okay.
Ichiokori. Really? You are here seated, drinking palm wine, celebrating what? You lied to me. You assured me that you are willing to sign the peace treaty. You deceived me. You sent unknown men, unknown warriors to attack us. To attack everybody. Do you know that Nama's life was at risk? Do you know that? How could you?
You must learn to speak to me with respect.
Akachuku, shut your mouth.
Bridle your tongue. How dare you accuse me of putting the lives of my people in harm's way? How dare you? Even Lee, I had done such a cowardly act. I would have been proud of myself, not sitting down here lamenting in misery.
Akachuku, I am innocent. I could not have pulled such a cowardly stunt, Akachuku. Now you see the kind of people you're dealing with.
Men, women, even children from Omuna Olu, they are all sneaky, crafty, foxes.
Now you see the kind of people you're dealing with. Akachuku,
You convinced me to seek peace. Now, I do not want that peace anymore. War they want, and war they shall get. Prepare your men. Ready them for battle. The battle line is drawn. We are going to retaliate. We must hit them. And we will hit them ruthlessly and hard.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred.
Can you now understand why I said that you must never trust anyone from Umunokiwe?
Yes, Father, I do understand. I understand now. I am truly sorry. This is all my fault. This would have cost you your life. I am sorry, Father. Forgive my childishness.
No, my daughter. I know you did all you did and said everything you said because you thought it was right. Now you have to rest. Rest! Because I must retaliate. I will give it to them hard. Hard!
Well, Father...
I don't want to hear anything from this madness anymore. Have I made myself understood? I'm sorry.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us. When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day.
Choma, my beautiful dancer. Choma. Can I help you?
Dikeh, greetings. But I'm fine.
Greetings, my love. Can I help you with this?
Don't worry. I'm okay.
This is... Wait, now. You can't just go like that. This is too heavy for you.
Dikeh, thank you so much. But I have to head home now.
See, let me just help you with this.
No, don't worry, I'm okay.
You're not okay. This is a man's job. Let me help you. See, it's too heavy. Look at your face. And this will make you get more short. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Let me help you.
Don't worry. Look at me very well. I'm a tall girl. And besides, I don't need help.
That's not what I meant. I know you're a very tall and beautiful girl, but I insist. Can I help you?
Don't worry. Thank you so much. My people are waiting for me.
I got your message. Why do you wish to see me?
I don't know which one is worse. Is it signing the peace accord? Or the fact that you decided to ignore me? And I ask, why are you avoiding me?
Your people, they fought my people. And my father's words still echo in my head. He has sworn to retaliate for what your people did to us.
That is strange. That is very, very strange. How can you believe that? My people have no hand in that attack. I promise you. They have no single hand. They know nothing about it.
And you think I will believe you? Are you using me as a trap to get to my people? Is that what it is?
Okay. Kim, how can you say that? You know you are the reason why I am doing this. I am doing this because we could have a future together. For all I know, your people could be behind the attack.
My father can be anything. He has his flaws. But he is not a liar. Some people are manipulating us.
Tell me what you know.
I have asked. No one in my kingdom knows anything about the attack.
Then, we need enough proof for our people. You know, gathering them the same spot could be very, very dangerous. We risk losing everything we have worked for. Everything. How do we stop the looming war? How?
I will help you gather evidence. And together, we shall expose the truth.
The truth? Then we give peace another chance?
Yes. For the sake of our love. And for the sake of our people.
For the sake of our people. If you are here for peace, give me your hand again. For peace.
Peace.
How may I help you, Akaju?
It's your boyfie.
Yes.
I seek your wisdom.
My wisdom? What do you need?
Norma and I have found out the truth. Someone is trying to manipulate our villages against peace.
Yeah. Go on, I'm listening.
You remember this ancient effigy I picked at the riverside? Yes.
Image?
Yes, this wooden image. Right. It further proves to me that our villages once had peace and harmony. And it is time we reclaim that peace.
Based on what happened last time, it is not going to be easy to achieve.
Ichie, we need your assistance. You are a man highly respected by both villages. Mediate for us.
Alright, I will try. But let me warn you, it is not going to be easy. Old wounds run very deep.
We are willing to face the challenges.
You need more than willingness, Akachu. You need more than willingness. What you need is courage and sacrifice. That's what you need.
I think someone is trying to set us up. But we will not stop until peace is achieved.
Good. Good. Let us begin. Alright? Let us begin.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you very much.
So what brings you?
I come seeking peace. Peace. Yes, peace.
What is this about peace? Peace. Peace everywhere I go. I am tired of hearing the word peace. By the way, whom do you seek peace with? The people of Omonolo? The same heartless people who tried to kill us the other time?
That is why we must talk. Akachuku and the Noma discover the truth.
Truth?
Yes, truth.
What truth do you speak of? Huh?
They think someone is behind that attack. And the ancient effigy. Yes. It has proved that we once lived in peace and harmony.
Ancient effigy? But that is only a myth.
A myth? Yes. Okore, our people, men, women and children, have eaten bread of affliction because of this senseless war. Can't we stop it? Our people have suffered. Can't we stop this senseless war?
Elder Ogbevi, you are such a man that you are well respected in this kingdom.
I know.
Okay. Let's just suppose. Let us assume we give room for another peace meeting. What guarantees do we have? What guarantees do we have that those violent-minded people of Umonolo will not try to pull a fast one on us again?
My word. I will mediate. Akachuku and the Noma will ensure that the people of Umonolo comply. Yes.
Okay. It is fine. I will agree to another peace meeting. But this time we will come very well prepared. So let them not dare. Let them not dare to betray us again. If not,
I quite understand.
Mhm.
I understand.
And let me say this. This part of the discussion has to remain private between you and I.
As you wish. As you wish. Chief Okeke, I come in peace. I have come to discuss with you the rift between Omunokigwe and Omunwali.
Obuefi, there's nothing to discuss about this people. If they want war, we will give them double. Reconciliation is impossible. Very impossible.
Chief Okeke, sometimes forgiveness is the key to healing. Omunokigwe has won that they have no hand in the attack. And just like you, they find it very difficult to trust Omunolo. So, we must employ willingness to make amends.
But can I trust them?
Yes, Father.
Of course you should.
We can. We can trust them. Yes, we can.
Obuefi, what do you propose?
Oh well, a meeting. Yes, a meeting to discuss the terms of reconciliation. And we all must compromise for peace to reign.
Remind them that we must come with our guards this time.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Wisdom has prevailed.
Thank you so much, Mazobuzi.
My daughter.
May the gods bless you.
You're welcome. Chief Okeke, and I take my leave.
Thank you, Obuefi. May the gods guide you.
See.
Father, this is a good idea.
No! We have been killed. They attacked us and our people killed. We have to fight. We need to fight with the last breath in us.
Ikenna. Revenge will only bring darkness. Ikenna.
You are talking about darkness. Our enemies, they brought in darkness, and we're going to give them justice. Why? At what cost?
Our souls.
We all failed the moment we refused to defend our helpless brothers and daughters.
Ikenna,
what you say is very right, and I will stand with you in my last breath.
And that is why I always count on you.
Cowards speak about peace. We are not cowards. We are going to fight. We must fight.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred.
How dare you look into my eyes and lie? I saw you! I saw you, Obinna!
What do I gain by lying to my own brother? Ikenna is behind all this. This is his idea.
Lies! Lies! I know my brother. My brother will never do such a thing.
It seems you do not know your brother very well. I'm just following instructions.
You are just a tool in his hands, aren't you?
I do not know what you're talking about.
Never! Never! I will never forgive this!
Akachukwu.
Obi. Okay. You are my friend. My most trusted ally. Why? Why have you chosen to be on the side of Ikenna? To ruin the peace treaty? Why?
No. Aka, no. You're wrong this time. I'm not with them. I swore.
So what were you doing with Ikenna's men? I saw you with my eyes.
Aka, I was trying to talk to them. For them to see sense. I swear with my father's grave. I have nothing to do with them. I warned you. I warned you.
You stand for peace. If you stand for peace, then we must do everything within our power to stop this bloodshed. This is madness taken too far in this kingdom. We are going to end it all. For peace, we seek and we stand by.
Aka, I will fight side by side with you until peace and sanity is restored.
Peace.
Peace.
Ikenna, Akachukwu has been searching for you. I think he wants to make trouble with you, and that is why I'm here to warn you.
I am ready. Let him come. My name is Ikechukwu, and I have never been afraid of any man born of a woman. Akachukwu is not an exception. Let me tell you something. He should come! I am ready. He is nothing but a weakling, and a weakling is not supposed to be our leader.
You are a true warrior. Do not back down for what is to come. Our people will remember you.
I'm one walker. Now, but one walker. Makaniva good gym here. Then I'm back.
You can't too good
now.
Enough! You are destined for greatness. You're welcome.
Ikenna!
Onya!
Ikenna, how could you? Why are you breaking the peace treaty?
There is no such thing as peace, and you are too naive to discuss this.
Ikenna, you are my brother. We grew up together.
That was there. And for the records, you have to choose between loyalty to our people and your illusion of peace.
Henceforth, you cease to be my brother, but an enemy. I will forgive your foolishness today. But don't allow this to happen again, because I am going to come hard on you. Very, very hard as an enemy.
You are making a mistake, Akachukwu. The worst tragedy that befall a man is death, and it's only cowards that are afraid to die.
Stay off my path.
If I could Jimile, then I'm back here.
When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day.
Father, please, drink some water. He hates me. My father hates me so much. I have never seen him this broken. No, my father does not hate you. As a matter of fact, he does not joke with you in this village. Everybody knows it. You're a good daughter. I am not a good daughter, Chima. I am not. A good daughter would never hurt her father. But I have hurt my father countless times. All I wanted was peace. I wanted him to live in a world where he doesn't have to be scared. I just wanted to protect him. You see? You see? No, ma. That is what a good daughter should do. No, Chima. Not this time. Because you cannot convince me otherwise. I want to be left alone. No, ma. No, ma.
Though the war linger for too long, but it will not stop us, God. I will wait for you to eternity. My people love onyem fulunani. Together we shall fight for peace. Together.
Why are you here? My father would kill you if he sees you here.
Mama, we can't keep going back and forth about this whole thing. We can't.
Your people fought my people.
No! He cannot fought us. Not my people. He attacked us. Is this not enough proof for you to know that I have no hands in this?
Well, it doesn't matter now. You cannot be here.
Wait. Do we have a problem?
No, we don't. My father could have gotten hurt. I cannot continue to hurt my father. At the same time putting my people's life in danger. I cannot. Go home and treat yourself. I will treat my father. Go.
Though the war linger for too long, but it will not stop us, God. I will wait for you to eternity. My people love onyem fulunani. Together we shall fight for peace. Together we shall fight to return. Bamu love again, come boggy obimo. Bamu love again, come boggy love mo. Makahuron gina love mo. Obimo, you are mine. I won't let you go. You are my breath, love me. You are my strength. People love more, love more.
Mama, what is going on?
There's nothing.
Did I hear you say nothing? What is wrong with you? You have been moving all these pigs. What is the problem?
It's about Mama. I'm just thinking about her.
Mama. Mama died for a very long time now. Is that why you are suddenly crying and thinking about her?
I miss her.
I'm so sorry. It's okay. Stop crying. Mamili. Mwayilinia. Enene jewalo. Oh. Norma, this sickness is not still down. What is wrong with you? Herbs have been administered to you, but nothing happens.
Papa, please, do not worry. I'm going to be fine. I'll be fine. Okay?
Norma, you are not being fine. All medicines have been given to you, yet. It's okay. I have to go and call the herbalist. Let him come and administer more medicine again.
I'll be fine, Papa, please.
It's okay.
I'll be fine.
I am coming, eh?
Papa, where are we going?
I am coming. Just a minute.
Papa?
Though the war linger for too long, but it will not stop us, God. I will wait for you to eternity. My keep on love, onion for together.
Let go of me.
I will not let you go.
But you already have. Norma, I cannot continue going back and forth because of you. If you want to let go of me, do it once and stop playing with my emotions. Is it a crime that I love you? The only crime I committed is loving you. That is the only sin I have committed.
What are you saying?
Should you punish me for this?
What are you saying, my love? Do you think I enjoy all of this? No, I don't. I have been unwell for days now. Even my father had to bring a herbalist to check on me. After all the herbs and everything, nothing worked. And that's because what I feel for you is beyond herbs. I am fallen sick for you again. Listen, I am not going to deny the fact that when we are not together, the only thing I think about is you. When you have misunderstanding, I only think about you. My heart calls out for you. I love you so much, Akachuko. You have to believe me. I love you.
Promise me. Promise me you will never let go of me again.
I promise. I will never let you go. Never.
How are you, my love?
I'm fine now.
I am truly sorry. Very, very sorry I put you through all this stress.
No, my love. You didn't put me through any stress. This is all my fault. And I am sorry about it. Ruby, what are we going to do now? How do we make our people understand that peace is the only way? And I do not understand. I do not know why each time we are close to attaining peace, something happens. I don't know.
I don't know. I seriously don't know, my love. But one thing is assured. I, Akachuku, I will do everything within my power to bring peace and balance to both kingdoms. Yes, I will do that.
And I will stand by you, my love. I will stand by you through thick and thin. We are going to do this together.
You are truly my strength. Thank you.
Uncle.
Go well, my love. Go well.
You are mine, I won't let you go. You are my breath, love. You are my strength. People love more, love more.
And how dare you step your foot into this kingdom?
All I seek is peace.
Convince me that all you seek is peace and nothing else.
How dare you?
You now move around frolicking with Akachukwu. You think I don't know? Now let me even ask you. Is your father aware that you now eat and dine with your enemy?
Akachukwu is not the enemy. You are the enemy and you dare not show your face to my father because he will kill you.
And what happens if I'm the one that will kill your father?
How dare you?
How dare you step your foot into this kingdom? I will spare you. But next time you're not going to have this opportunity. I have other plans for you. Now move and don't come back here again. Move!
Ikenna, what are you doing here?
I've not come for a fight. Or are we not brothers again?
Never! You turned your back at me. You ceased to be my brother. The very day you disrupt the peace treaty. And I, Akachukwu, will never forgive you. I will never!
Akachukwu, you are my brother. And I believe you are fighting for peace. Or is there something else you're not telling me?
What are you talking about?
Yes! You keep on talking about peace, but inside you there is not your motive. You're fighting for peace for your selfish interest. Just to be with the daughter of our enemy. You think I don't know? Now let me ask you. Have you ever imagined how the king will feel if he knows about this?
Again, I am sure you don't want to be in my bad books.
Brothers, don't fight each other. I am not here to fight you, but I must put an end to this drama. Is a promise.
Ikenna, beware. Stay off my back.
Akachukwu, I have my eyes on you.
This is just the beginning. I have come to seek for your wise counsel. The tension between these two kingdoms is growing day by day. I fear for our future.
Akachukwu, the path to peace is never easy. But I sense you are willing to listen. I will share an ancient prophecy with you. That prophecy is all about a river goddess who wills the fate of our kingdoms together. It also foretells where unity will unlock the powers of Uyukwu River, bringing prosperity to our people.
Unity? Just like this ancient effigy we found at the riverside. And the voice speaks also about unity. But how do we achieve peace when the two kingdoms are at war?
Akachukwu, the prophecy also speaks about a bridge between two kingdoms that was forged by the hearts of two individuals. I believe you know the people I'm talking of. Akachukwu, your meeting in Norma was not by chance. It has already been written about long before you were born. It is destiny. Yes, destiny.
I met with Mazi Obuefi. He shared with me an ancient prophecy, the one that could unite our kingdoms.
Very well. What did he say?
He said that our hearts could form a formidable bridge between our kingdoms, and thereby unlocking the true powers of the river.
But how did we get ourselves into this prophecy? We were only pushing for peace.
It is not by choice. It is because we are born to do this. We are born to do this even before we were born. You are my destiny.
Then we must make it happen. For our people. For us. I mean, that is the only way we can be together.
It is getting late. We need to go. But please, let's meet here again tomorrow.
Okay.
I want you to go. We need to convince our fathers. We need to make a peace treaty the last time.
But how? I mean, they've been at odds for so long. And every failed attempt has left a question mark in your heart. Nobody trusts anybody.
I'll speak to my people. You go home and speak to your people. We need to find a way to bring them together.
What's about Ikenna? He's going to make things difficult for us.
No. Leave Ikenna to me. I'll handle him.
Oh, babe. You need to be safe.
I'm only worried about you. If anything happens to you, do you not think I can bear it?
You are mine, I won't let you go. You are my breath, love me. You are my strength. People love more, love.
Hey, Mama, stop there! Where are you coming from? I ask you, where are you coming from?
Papa, I was with Chioma and others. Yes,
Chioma?
Yes, Papa.
Chioma that just left here looking for you.
Hey, Chioma.
Norma Keke, why are you lying to your father? Why?
I'm not lying, no. I'm not lying. I have no reason to lie to you.
And if I find out you are lying to me, Norma, I will never be happy with you. You are my eye. Ufanya Jisi Owo. And you are lying to your father.
Obi, we need to cut down with our meetings. My father is getting suspicious, and it's no longer safe.
I understand, okay. I do not want to put you in further danger. If this is what we need to do, then let's do it. But in the meantime, I will take care of things when you find a way to take care of things the other side.
I can't wait. I cannot wait for this peace to push through. I cannot wait for our kingdoms to be united. And I cannot wait to be with the man I love.
That is what I want too. I want to be with you and not sneak around the whole village. I promise to protect you with everything in me, even if it's going to be the last thing I will do on earth. I promise that no danger will befall you and your father. And I swear with my life.
Obi, I need you to be safe for me. You have to be safe. Please.
I could say the same thing. I want you to be safe. Safe for me.
Again now. And that's why we must act very fast. I agree with you, my brother. Because from the look of things, we do not have enough time. Then it's settled. I am good to go.
No, okay. No, okay. Who is there? Right. Ago, what is going on there?
No, I talk to you.
I can sense you are troubled. What is it?
Mazi, you are like my father. And the normal is also a sister to me. I say this with pains in my heart.
What is going on?
It's normal. I start with Akachuku, the head warrior of the opposing kingdom.
Akachuku! Hey! Hey! Akachuku, my enemy! No! What is going on between them?
Norma is consulting with the enemy. I don't know if they have consummated their love yet. But now you know what it means. You know what it means if Igwe finds out.
Let this just be between you and I. Let no other ear hear this. I am going to handle Norma my way. Then, thank you for coming to tell me first before any other ear. Hey! Norma! Akachi! Akachi! Hey! Hey! What's the change of friend now? Hey! Oh, JJ, what are you now? Hey!
Nam, greetings.
No, come here.
Huh?
Come here! I said come here. Where were you?
I was inside my house.
How dare you? I don't believe that you can stand before your father and lie to me constantly.
I still do not understand what you're saying.
Nonsense. How dare you? How dare you lie to me? You consulting with my own enemy, and you're telling me nonsense. Do you think I'll protect you from the Igwe if he finds out that you are tangling with our enemy?
Akachukwu is not an enemy. All he's saying is peace. All he has ever wanted is to put an end to this bloodshed.
Akachukwu is not your enemy. Then who is he? Who is he? Oh, you are preaching the peace. Oh, this is the reason. This is the reason. I don't want to see you outside again. Now, get inside. Get inside this hut. Get into the hut and say this. Nonsense. Hey! My own enemy. Akachukwu, my enemy. My own daughter. Consulting with. No! No! It cannot be. Ah! 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 Ah!
Akachukwu, my brother, look at what you've done to yourself. A once mighty warrior of Igwe, reduced to ordinary prisoner. I still ask myself to know why you chose to destroy and betray our people just because of your selfish interest. Now let me tell you something. I will make sure that you do not come out of this place. And as for the peace you talk about, that peace is going to die with you because I will make sure it will not come. My name is Ikenna.
Father, please. Please let me out. Father, please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Let me out. I don't want to stay here. Father. Father, please let me out. Please. Father, are you there? Please let me out.
Akachukwu, my son. How are you? I would have been here before now. But the Igwe refused anyone coming to see you. Yes. I only came to remind you that no matter how thick the darkness is, hope exists. Be strong. Your belief in peace and unity will never go in vain. The road might be rough and hazy. But then, I want you to know that your effort can never be forgotten. People will remember you because of your courage and perseverance. The only thing you will do is to have a pure heart and unbroken spirit. Let me tell you, the time for peace and freedom will surely come. Don't give in. Be a strong man. And above all, come. Listen. You must find a way. You must find a way.
haven't kidnapped anyone.
What sorcery is this?
How can this be, Akachukwu? What is happening? Eh?
Are you all not tired of bloodshed? Aren't you all tired of killing one another? For how long shall we continue killing each other? Our fathers, mothers, children, siblings die every day. Are you not tired? Are you not tired? I beg you all, drop your weapons and embrace peace. For it's only unity that can bring everlasting peace.